Welcome back to another video, guys. Hope you're all having an amazing day. So this is going to be a quick, no-nonsense guide to get started with motovlogging. Let's jump right into it. So to start, you only need 4 things, not including your motorcycle helmet. All you need is a camera, a helmet mount, a microphone, and you might not even need this, but a way to connect your microphone into your camera. For my setup, I went with the GoPro 9. You could pick one up for under $200 on eBay, but any camera with a jack hookup will work. For the helmet mount, I went with the Chin Mounts helmet mount for $35, but a generic strap off Amazon will do. They'll cost around 20 bucks. For the microphone, I went with the Lavalier Go. I picked one up for 80, but I see one going now for 55. I'll put it in the description below, but the purple Panda for around $35 works great. Lastly, because I have a GoPro, I need a way to connect the jack into it, so I picked up the GoPro Media Mod for 80 bucks, but you can find them on eBay for about 60 bucks. So the first step is to go ahead and attach your mount to the front of your helmet. If you chose to get a chin mount, make sure that you wait 24 hours before mounting your camera onto it, just so the adhesive stays on your helmet. Next, go ahead and wire in your mic inside your helmet. I just use a little piece of Velcro to hold the bulk of the wiring in place, and then I just use my Cena microphone to wedge in the mic itself just so it doesn't move. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but if you don't have a Cena or a Cardo mic, just use a piece of Velcro to hold it in place. I'm sure it won't be that big of a deal. And just make sure that you leave a little bit of slack on the end so you can plug your jack into your camera. And that's pretty much it. Screw on your GoPro, plug in the jack, and you're done. You should be ready to create your first motovlog. Quick tip before you go out there and start recording, to make sure that your camera is pointed a little bit upwards. If it's pointed down, it's not going to be the best footage, and you just want to make sure it's nice and up, it's seeing all the views that you're trying to show off. I really hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.